Now we are going to discuss the concept of yarning over, what it means and why we do it. So in order to create a stitch, you are going to have to yarn over, likely multiple times, in order to create that stitch. Some stitches you have to yarn over before moving on to creating the stitch, and some stitches, for example, a single crochet, you're going to be yarning over after you've worked into your stitch space. So we're going to use a single crochet as an example. You're going to work into that chain space, and then you'll see I'm holding it very close. So you're not actually wrapping the yarn around the hook, you're just grabbing it. Some people verbalize it as wrapping, but you're not actually wrapping it around. You are literally just holding tension with your finger, grabbing the yarn and pulling it through. You're not actually wrapping. So again, you're going to insert your hook, and then your yarn's just going to be right there for you to grab. You're going to grab it, and then your yarn should always be just right there for you to grab. So you don't want to be holding it up or down or somewhere far away. You want to always have it pretty readily available for you to grab. And you're just going to be pivoting your hook in order to do that. So you're just pivoting your hook, grabbing that yarn and pulling it through. Now for some stitches, you're going to be yarning over multiple times, and it's just going to be the same thing every time. You're going to have to do this in order to chain. You're going to have to yarn over. So you're just working your stitch as normal and just grabbing the yarn. You don't want to make it so that you're having to manually yarn over. You shouldn't be grabbing your yarn separately. You're going to want to keep a hand on your work, have it anchored to your hand the way we discussed before, with it wrapped around one of your fingers, not too tight. Just make sure that it can flow through your fingers like it needs to. And you're going to have it close enough that you can just grab the yarn as you're passing by it. And that's how you yarn over.